Hello, in today's video, I'll show you what is Flexi arm extendable side brush and extendable mop design, how to use it to clean edges and corners of your floor better on the ROBOROCK Saros Z70. To do it, click on the settings in the top right corner. Then you can go to the floor cleaning settings, and then there is going to be this section, the Flexi arm design extended cleaning, mopping, and cleaning for crevices. So first let's talk about the extended cleaning. The side brush has an arm that when it goes against an edge or a corner of the floor, then it can extend it to clean better in those areas, and you can enable it for that. Mopping does the same thing but with the right mop pad. Cleaning for crevices will basically identify and extend the flexible side brush to clean crevices below appliances and furniture. And these things will make it take a bit more time for cleaning, but the cleaning performance will be significantly improved. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.